We're here at the Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras. Here is your boat ramp slash launch. Clearly they've got some public restrooms here kind of on the dock. That's smart. After a day of boating, sometimes nature calls. It's conveniently located. This is a pretty high quality boat ramp, gotta say. Paved. Looks like a good gradation right into the water. So I don't think there's anything to complain about there. That looks like a high quality boat ramp. Oh, this is a very cool area. You got a multitude of docks. There is the first one, second one, and third one. That one's got a lot of slips in the end there. With the incredible sun beaming over our high desert Wonderland Canyon, I'm here at the dock zone of the Deschutes River Daves area. Walking down to our dock here. This is Cove Palisades State Park, Central Oregon near Madras, one of the premier state parks in the entire state of Oregon. Of course, this is the mighty Lake Billy Chinook. Oh, this is gorgeous. Let's get back and show you this beautiful sunrise just lighting up this area. Today is March 19th, 2024. Show you the boat dock. This is the primary boat dock of this particular day use boat launch site. Well paved, well gradiated. That lip right there is temporary. Right now the lake level is about 2.5 feet lower than they normally be because of some pre-scheduled hydroelectric work dam work by PGE. So don't let that concern you. Normally it'll be about 2.5 feet higher. You'll be able to gently slide right into the water. Oh my gosh, this is a wonderland. Hopefully it's very clear to you why this is a boating, kayaking, fisherman's water sport wonderland. Oh, this is beautiful. Gotta say, I love that little hoodoo across the way, that little mound o' rock. Kind of an interesting little landmark there. We'll also add, we got, these are bathrooms right across the way. Floating restroom, Lake Billy Chinook. So these get deployed out onto the lake. And sometimes nature calls, and we've got some floating restrooms. Well, I think one of the really cool things about Lake Billy Chinook, it's a confluence of Crooked River, Metolius River, and Deschutes River into one epic watercraft, water sport, fishing, boating, kayaking wonderland. And this one is named for Deschutes River day use area because this is the Deschutes arm. So this is a multi-tendrilled lake. Lots of access points. Also, it kind of makes it fun. There's lots of areas to explore. I'm here at the Deschutes River day use area. You got a plentitude of picnic tables, a shoreline, and a little kiddie swimming area. Protected, cordoned off by this divider, so you don't have to worry about the currents or the boats, but you still do have a drowning risk, so parents need to be cautious. But this is a nice little day use area here at Lower Deschutes River. Very nice. Also bathrooms right over here. This flotilla of 3 bathrooms and a plentitude of docks. No overnight moorage, but lots of places to launch your boat. As the sun finally peeks over our canyon, lighting up this high desert wonderland. This area is beautiful.